Stop making these blow drying mistakes. Using the dryer on maximum heat setting and keeping the nozzle really close can cause a lot of damage to your hair. You need to keep the heat on low setting and start drying your hair from top to bottom. Make sure you have detangled your hair before using the dryer. Keep brushing the hair with your fingers to prevent any knots. The nozzle of the dryer shouldn't be kept straight, instead slanted it in the downward direction. This will keep the hair from moving in all the direction and will also dry it out without making it look frizzy in the end. If at any point you feel that there are stubborn knots, then use a wide tooth comb to detangle it. Do not continue using your dryer without detangling the knots, as it will result in breakage when you will brush it afterwards. When using the dryer near your scalp, make sure the heat is on the lowest setting because it can make your roots get weak. So this is how you use a blow dryer to dry your hair without any damage. Subscribe our channel for more such helpful videos.